Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by tuning to standard E and placing a capo on the second fret to match the recorded key. This simplifies chord shapes. Once done, form the open M, F, C, G shapes and strum slowly to hear transitions. Make sure to memorize the F-bar partial shape as it's the trickiest. Practice moving between M to F and C to G in quarter note timing. This builds muscle memory so your hands land cleanly when you play along with the song. Now focus on rhythm. You'll use a down-up strum pattern counted as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Accent beats 2 and 4 to capture the song's groove. Once comfortable, add light palm muting near the bridge on low strings to tighten the low end. Then blend in a basic arpeggio by assigning your thumb to bass notes and fingers to treble. This creates the signature texture. Practice slowly with a metronome, then increase tempo when transitions stay clean and the groove feels consistent. To finish, arrange dynamics. You begin softly in verses and push harder into choruses to create contrast. This improves emotional impact. Once done, add tasteful hammer-ons, pull-offs, and brief slides to decorate chord tones without overcrowding the mix. Make sure to end phrases cleanly by releasing pressure and dampening strings. If something buzzes or rings oddly, inspect the nut and fret contact, adjust finger pressure, and retune. These fixes usually solve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.